Welcome to our Ultimate Trimmer Showdown. Today we're diving deep into two of the most popular grooming kits on the market, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 and the Wahl USA Pro Series Trimmer. Both of these products promise versatility and precision, but which one truly stands out? We'll compare their features, battery life, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 is priced at $99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Wahl USA Pro Series Trimmer, which retails for $149. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a versatile grooming tool without breaking the bank. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 boasts an impressive 12-in-1 functionality, offering a range of grooming options with its multiple attachments. In contrast, the Wahl USA Pro Series Trimmer, while having fewer attachments, emphasizes its high visibility and precision with its skeleton-style trimmer head and near-zero-gap blade. Both products cater to different grooming needs, making them unique in their own right. Battery life is crucial for cordless grooming tools. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 offers a solid 100 minutes of cordless runtime, while the Wahl USA Pro Series Trimmer provides up to 2 hours of usage on a full charge. This longer battery life may be a deciding factor for those who prefer extended grooming sessions without interruptions. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 and the Wahl USA Pro Series Trimmer offer unique features that cater to different grooming needs. The Braun is more affordable and versatile, while the Wahl excels in precision and battery life. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.